Ekero ebikaro byebunge ya Nyamira byachaka bene nainde mahega y'omutimo bw'omuyiga bw'esuguku nabaigo omwaka omoya nigo aba MCA be county ya Nyamira bakorawa n'omonogeri bw'ebunge ey'omusike Thaddeus Nyabaro nigo baratarire amo ase owikirania amagenderero ase omunyamira na kwiba emechando eyo baetera omwaka oheta.
We faced numerous challenges in 2024, including much litigations. We fought together, and we can proudly say that we have won by the abundance of the grace of God. We now have substantive speaker and a clerk and a reformer county assembly service board. Thank you. I wish you the best, and we wish to work together as a team. And with the team spirit, we shall win, and we will serve our people with a lot of dignity and success. Thank you.
Ase ebikaro ebyo nigo omo MCA obunyamatuta Julius Matwere ateba iganga enene aso mwakoyo no kwene kyabuna omunyamira bwensi ngwikiraniriware amagenderero.
Infrastructure is a problem here in this county. You know, there were heavy rains throughout last year and the roads were washed down. So Speaker, those challenges, I want to believe we're equal to the task as a house, and it's only through our cooperation and unity that we shall be able to push the executive to do the roads. So Speaker, there are no drugs in hospitals. Though they say they are normally flagging them off, we have not seen those drugs in hospitals, Mr. Speaker.
Boigo bamuganirie omugabana onyamira omusike Amos Nyaribo omwaka oyo gwikirania emiremo yaye bwikiranu kare noboremu abwase boigo baganirie aba MCA bonsi banyamira gwikirana ase bikaro byebunge eyo eryo gukwanira enjira barakinie amagenderero Nyamira Abel Mose nomo MCA omawawa.
It's now high time that we need to show our public that there is hope in this year 2025. So the bad image we had, let us now the public understand, and more especially my people from Awao. On behalf of my people, I now declare sanity in Nyamira. On behalf of my governor, because I'm his MCA, I declare unity. We want to serve the people of Nyamira, and we are another members. Whoever is now spreading the rumor that we are here to impeach the governor, that one should be defeated today. Let the governor work for his people. We have given him a mandate, and let him not work in fear.
Hingo reporter ya Getembe TV kurwase amagacho ye bunge ya Nyamira egotoka ze bunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefa Tigat Isimba.